Good morning, guys. It's like 1:59 in the morning. Yeah, I went to bed at like 10 last night, so no, I went to bed, I don't know. I got like 4 hours of sleep, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm fine. But yeah, this is vlog day 1. So yep, Saturday morning, 2 a.m. right now, and got the fit on. I've worn this in like a whole bunch of my other vacation videos. Always wear this first day of the vacation, with the flamingo socks, got the whole fit on. Yeah, not the first time I've worn this in a video. Yeah, I've just worn this like every vacation. This shirt's been everywhere. It's my like favorite shirt I own. But yeah, guys, it's peak. Anyways, we're on our way to KCI, Kansas City International Airport. So yeah, it is not very warm in Kansas City right now. So as much as I love Kansas City, I cannot wait to get to Miami. So yeah, first day, all days today's in Miami. It's like 45 degrees out here and it's kind of rainy. And yeah, I got my water bottle, but you can't even see me. But yeah, I guess I could do like a montage or like a travel montage, like getting to the airport. So yeah.
Morning.
Yo, it's 3:10. We just got at the airport. Our flight leaves at like 5:10, so we have like 2 hours. So yeah, I don't know. I look like a tourist, guys. But I love this outfit, so I don't care. Out of anything I own, like any outfit or like any like article of clothing I own, this is the thing I've received the most compliments for wearing. So yeah, I like this. But yeah, I guess, I don't know, I hope you like that montage, but we're here now. It was very chilly kind of, so I'm excited for 85-degree Miami later. It's beginning.
You filming your GoPro? You got your GoPro filming?
Yeah.
Why are you filming? Got it going.
I don't know.
You want to go to jail for filming the security process?
Am I not allowed to?
Leave it at that. All right. Pull it up, please.
Just went through customs and TSA, and the guy was questioning why I was recording the security process, because I wanted to do it like they always do in those YouTube videos, but didn't realize there was a problem. Which there wasn't. I got you guys.
In about 3 minutes here at Ken?
Of him, the guy that took our tickets.
That guy who took our tickets was so tough. have like an hour and 15 minutes left in our flight. I was literally just gonna say that turbulence hasn't been that bad, but it's kind of starting. We're over Tennessee, about to go to Georgia right now. Oh, we're in Georgia. Look at that square lake. I'll probably record again when we're about to land, but yeah. This is absolutely disgusting, guys. I thought it was going to be bigger, or at least cleaner. What the hell? This is horrible. We're almost in Miami. We just flew over Tampa, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna go back to my seat now. This was over exaggerated. This is not good. Why does my shirt look so low? Yeah, it's a lot more humid and hot just in the airport. Yeah, you can see all the palm trees and stuff flying in.
It's not that warm out.
What?
Not that warm out.
What do you mean it's not that warm? It's like 80 out here. What do you think the temperature is? Oh, it says it's 85 for a real flu of 81. Yeah, we just got off the plane. Now we're waiting for a bus to take us to Miami Beach. We're on the bus now. Guess it's going to the nearest one to our hotel. But I don't know if that, like, obviously that goes to the ocean. I don't know if that is like a channel like to the ocean. I don't know. But it's very cool looking. But yeah, I don't know. We're going to our hotel now, but look at this. Bro, look at this view on the 9th floor. You can see the pool. But look at this. How tall? We're on the 9th floor and that thing's, wow. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a time lapse right here. Sometime, I'm not sure when. It's quite windy and the waves are windy. There's people walking by, so it should be a good time lapse. But yeah, we're in the hotel room. We're gonna go eat now. I mean, I was considering if I leave my GoPro here and record a time lapse and don't film anything, but I didn't know if we're coming back. But then I remembered I have 2 GoPros for a reason. So I'm going to leave this one here, my nice one here, and I'm gonna take my older one to the beach with us. So yeah, I guess I'll set up a time lapse for you guys. Okay, we're walking to the restaurant to eat now. Then we're gonna go back to the hotel room. And then I'm gonna, I don't know. What's up with all the Teslas? Then we're gonna go to the beach. Because this is the only day we're going to the beach in Miami. And Miami is like one of my all-time favorite cities, so. That'll be good. It's so windy today, and we're eating at a restaurant. Look at the city. Yeah. 2 Teslas just went by. That's like the 20th Tesla I've seen since I got here. I don't know. It's pretty cool, I guess, but yeah. I guess I'll be back at the beach.
No, looked at her earlier. I said it wasn't crowded.
Because I wasn't. They just got here.
The group of 200 and 300.
Where you can see the ships off in the distance and stuff. There's like 300 people over there.
Oh, so the ones that are already set out. Okay. So those are taken?
One more.
Look at that, guys. It's like sand. That is not warm. It's just, bro. Why is it so cold? These wheels are going underwater, so I'm just gonna dive now. It's not even that cold once you're used to it. I'm putting my camera up though. We got back from the beach now. How about I race you?
You got your phone?
Yeah, can you hold my phone? Okay, well, I'm gonna race them down, so we'll see who's faster. Well, we got back from the ocean because my eyes burned, but now we're gonna go shopping. Three more floors. One more. We made it. And we beat everybody. We beat them. Let's go. Okay, we're going shopping. Bro, all the shirts in the store is just GTA 6 stuff, because I forgot GTA 6 is set in Miami Beach. So yeah, which that was the most crowded bus trolley ride I've ever been on. There was like 20 people on a tiny trolley, and that smelled like BO. But we're here now. And yeah, so I guess shopping.
I'm gonna take a picture first, you guys.
So I ate the massive pizza. I ate it with my hands. My hands are greasy. I'm looking for a bathroom in CVS. Bro. Massive CVS. And I don't know where the bathroom is or if they even have a bathroom. Yeah, the pizza was like that big. And I can't pick it up, so I ate it with my hands. My hands are greasy. I need a bathroom. But I think my sister and grandma are going back to the hotel. And me and my mom are gonna stay out and just shop, experience the nightlife in Miami. Which I don't know how that's gonna go. Yeah, I'll try to find a bathroom. Bro, it's probably loud in here, but yeah, I showed you the clip of me running down the stairs. Well, we were trying to catch a trolley, so we like had to be downstairs. But then I realized I forgot to put on deodorant since the beach. So I ran all the way up 9 flights of stairs, put on deodorant, then ran all the way back down, so I wouldn't miss the trolley. Because it's I'm faster than the elevator. But then I realized I forgot my watch, and my mom's like, well, the trolley's still nowhere in sight. So I ran back up 9 flights of stairs and back down, all in the span of like 5 minutes. And bro, that was crazy. And then when I ate the pizza, I was looking for a place to wash my hands. And I went looking for an hour, and there was no bathroom. So I finally just went to a water dispenser and Raising Cane's, and I stuck my hand under the water dispenser and I rinsed it off. And then the very next door, my mom hands me something and it's sticky. And so I finally found another restroom. So I'm gonna, but yeah, we also got coupons for free churros. So we're gonna eat those right now because they're giving out free churro coupons. So yeah, that's awesome. I don't even know if you can hear a word I'm saying. I'm sure there's subtitles on the screen, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I guess I'll be back when I'm eating the churro. Yo, we got the churro, guys, and chocolate with it. Well, like same time.
I don't want to be on video.
Okay.
I'm afraid I'm gonna burn my mouth.
It's not that hot.
The churro, the chocolate's so good.
What?
The churro chocolate that's so good.
What? We want to have something fun to film, so we're gonna go to the Rowdy Bar Street in Miami Beach on a Saturday night. Just because it's just me and my mom, so we're just gonna mess around. So yeah, maybe I'll be back with that if we go. Bro, this city is so dang rowdy. Like, if you've never been here before, it's not what you expect. I mean, I get it's Miami, but this is just very rowdy. And I know, like, I can't really capture the vibe on camera every single like moment, but you know, that's why we're trying to go on the party street. We're not there yet. We're not at Ocean Drive yet, but I'm trying to capture the, you know, the energy of the city, showing you how crazy it is.
Hands. And then open them like this. Open them, open them. Chase, don't hit him here. Don't hit him.
The start of Ocean Drive.
This is not it.
What?
The lights all the way down there.
No, I mean, it's the start of the street. This is where the street begins. And it's only gonna get more and more rowdy. And bro, I'm scared. All hell's about to let loose. We're on South Beach, obviously, right now. We're like, we're on like the south end of South Beach, or we're about to be. Start of Ocean Drive. Music slowly getting louder. South Beach, like the water's like right there. They got a whole stage. I didn't think it was like an organized event.
Might be a concert.
Who's that rapper mastermind? We'll tell him he was here. Free concert.
Oh. Am I even allowed to be here? What? Won't zoom in that far. Bro, you cannot get this content anywhere else but MFOF. You're welcome, guys. Subscribe. Oh, I'm posting it. You're setting me up for failure, making me go first, Mom. tonight, bro, tonight took a turn. This got so like goofy very quick. It's also slightly misting every once in a while, so it's kind of like cooling off. So like the weather's kind of cool. I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. Unique.
That would have been an old today.
I don't know how well you guys could see that, but I got to pull the lever on the bus that stops the bus, or the cord, which I've never done that. I thought it was just for like emergencies, like someone's like having a heart attack. But I don't know how you could see it, but I pulled the lever to let them know we need to get out. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna show you what I got, and this might be the end of day one, which is a long video, probably eventful video. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Okay, the first thing I got was my magnet for my magnet board.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I got a shirt, guys, which I think the shirt's peak. You let me know. I like it. I wanted like a neon on a white shirt, and I found one. And you know what? I think it's pretty cool. It says Miami, it says South Beach. Has the beach. That's probably Ocean Drive right there. So yeah, I like it. I'll probably wear it a different day of the trip. That's gonna be the end of day one. So I know I'm talking quiet, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, this is just day one of like many, so I'll definitely be back. I'll see you soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. It was interesting. You don't get to see that content every day. But yeah, bye guys. Love you.